Well, looks like things are gonna go south. If we don't do something, things are gonna go south. Hi friends, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethelyn. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the idiom, go south. What does it mean? How do you go south? Well, in the first example, I said, well, it looks like things are gonna go south. In the second example, I said, if we don't do something, things are gonna go south. Now, when things go south, we're talking about situations where things take a turn for the worse, or they happen in a way that we're not expecting, but in a negative way. So when you think about it, to go south, south is downward, right? So when things are not going the way we plan or anticipate, they're going in the opposite direction, they're moving in a negative direction. That's what it means to go south. It means that something is not unfolding, it's not taking place in a way that's favorable for us. So what are some things that could go south? We could be planning for a huge celebration party at work or for family and friends, and then the weather just completely ruins everything. It starts raining and storming, and so our plans go south because we can't do the thing we were trying to do, we were hoping to do. Another example would be if we were taking a road trip, and on that road trip, all of a sudden we got robbed, right? And we got robbed of our purse and our wallets and our money. And then someone takes the car. And so all these events are leading to a very horrible, it's leading to a terrible experience on this road trip. So things just went south. They go south. Now, you just heard me say things went south. So we use the verb to go, right? And go south. In the present tense, things go south. But in the past tense, they went south. So we were planning this road trip and everything was going well. Then we got robbed and someone stole our car and things went south from there, which means everything else that happened after that point was even worse than what we just talked about. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button below and turn on your notifications so that you'll know every time we release a new video. Until next time.